Hi, in today's lecture I will like to talk about double bottoms at support. Now, if you're wondering why the Dow Jones Industrial Average Futures rose from here to here, today we're going to discover why it does so. The Dow has been moving up very nicely up until here. Then there was a nasty correction and decline, and eventually it moved back up. But what are the reasons, what are the technicals that made the stock index move from here to here in a short period of time? So after you have learned this, you'll be able to better spot a bottom in the future if it repeats itself. Now, one thing I like to show you is that an area of consolidation, this is an area of consolidation, this is sideways consolidation, right? A consolidation is a place where the stock or the index traded sideways in a very tight manner, and the consolidation can be an area of support once it breaks out above this area. Let me just color it green for you to see so that you know that support. Green means support. Alright, this is an area of consolidation. So when we know that this is an area of support, is Dow Jones drop to here, it will stop dropping. You can see there's a bottoming tail here because support is kicking in. So this is a very important structure. And the double bottom, if you remember your technical analysis lessons, what is a double bottom? The double bottom is looks like a W, where the stock or index goes down, move up, and then down again to form a W pattern. And this is exactly what happened to the Dow Jones here. You can see it moving down, go up and up again. So that is why it bottomed here and moved up. Now, when you combine a bullish reversal chart pattern like a double bottom and an area of support, it becomes a very powerful indicator that the index wants to bottom and move up, and that is exactly why Dow futures move up. Okay, so another thing that you can learn is trend lines. So when you have a double bottom and draw a downtrend line, when the index breaks above the downtrend line, it can rise very nicely. Some traders do take a trade when it goes above the downtrend line. You could buy around here and ride it higher. So a double bottom at an area of support is extremely powerful. Now, the other thing I want to show you, when you see a double bottom at support, you might want to employ the use of indicators such as stock MACD, stochastics, and MACD. Here is the same. That's S&P 500. Let's go to Dow futures. Okay, the Dow was making a kind of double bottom pattern. This is the support area. This is the Bollinger Bands, and this is the MACD. You can see that actually the MACD's histogram, here's a low here and it moves higher here. The MACD lines as well, you can see that there's a low here and a higher area here. When the second bottom forms, is a bit higher, and in stochastics it was very evident. Stochastic formed a low here. The low in the price was almost the same, but the stochastics was very high here. Now, what this tells us is a bullish divergence was happening at the area of support, and this showed internal strength, and that is why the market moved higher. Let's go back to a Dow futures daily chart, because I want to show you another example. So here's the double bottom I show you, but if you go back some time ago, yep, about here, you can see the Dow moving down very nasty, and then the first low form, it tried to move up, second low form, and then complete the double bottom formation. You can see this here. This is the double bottom formation, and then it went up. So this is a very tradable pattern. Some traders do trade out of it, and it can be very profitable if you know what to do. So Once again, you can draw a downtrend line to connect as many highs as possible, especially this middle one. You connect as many highs as possible. Doesn't matter, here it goes up a bit, right? The W, and once it broke this downtrend line, look how it shot up. So today you have learned about double bottoms, right? Double bottom and support. So this is a very good technical analysis lesson. So next time if you see Dow forming a double bottom at the support area, to get ready to buy stocks, because odds are it's gonna go up.